Hi, Dan here from Bucars RV Center. Many modern towables come with these beautiful front windshields, and they're great for natural light and really bringing the outdoors inside. However, a lot of our clients have said they're concerned about these and rock chips. And while they are strong and made out of windshield grade automotive glass, we all know what happens to our windshields in our vehicles. So we've come up with a solution. We've partnered with YB Outdoors to become their first Canadian distributor of these high-quality, heavy-duty vinyl window coverings. They easily attach with industrial-strength Velcro, so they can be put on and removed within minutes. Now, you can either do the install yourself or have our experts in the service department do it for you, but what you're doing is you're buying peace of mind and protecting your investment. Call, text, or email our parts department today and we can get you a custom quote for one of these great covers. You just need to give us your trailer information and we'll do the rest.